Have you ever finished recording a video and when you finally check your footage, you realize that your picture quality is looking very poor? Well, that used to be me for some couple of years now because I relied so very much on my regular ring lights, thinking that was the most affordable option I can get. But little did I know that I was just being naive. So guys, what I'm about to show you on this video will blow your mind. So this little light right here, which is the LED U880, just changed the game for under $30. Today I'll show you exactly how it stacks up and why I ditched my ring light for this light and how you can take your content to the next level. Stick around because this might just be the upgrade you never knew you needed. So here is the deal. My old ring light worked, but it wasn't perfect. The light was harsh, it struggled with brightness control, and let's be honest, it was bulky. But when I discovered the LED U880, I knew it was time to upgrade. Let me show you what's inside this tiny powerhouse. So a little disclaimer here, I've been using this light for a couple of months now. I decided to repackage the light and make this unboxing video because I've been seeing this kind of comments on my videos. A lot of people have been asking me what kind of light I use. So that is why I decided to make this video. First impressions. This thing is compact and feels surprisingly solid for the price. Inside the box you'll find a LED panel, an adjustable tripod, a ball head mount for your 360 rotation flexibility, the adapter for the power, the remote controller, and also 2 batteries. That is everything you need to get started. So guys, as you can see, the setup was a breeze and in less than 2 minutes I was able to set up the light. As I'm talking to you, the light is ready to go. So now let's see how it performs. Wow, take a good look at this. Compare the last picture quality you just saw and this particular picture you are seeing right now. Compare the two and tell me what you think. Who say good thing no good, eh? Who said good thing no good? Look at how sweet I am on this camera right now. One thing good lighting will do to you is that good lighting will make your content stand out. And it will make you want to be creating content every day. Just take a look at this. Fanboy. Honestly speaking, this is really bright. And it's not just about the brightness. You get full control over the color temperature. Check this out. Warm tones for cozy vibes. Cool tones for crisp, clean visuals. It is all just a dial away. The difference is just like night and day. No harsh shadows, no flickering, just soft lighting that makes your skin look great on camera. Perfect for filming, streaming, or even Zoom calls. But honestly, for under $30, this value is insane. This light punches way above its weight class. So guys, what do you think about the LED U880? I believe for under $30 this lighting worth the price and it really serves the purpose. So if you really want to get this light, I will leave a link on the description of this video where you can send me a direct WhatsApp message. I sell these lights. I can deliver nationwide to anywhere you are. Okay, so this is the reason why I abandoned my ring lights to purchase the LED U880 because I believe it's going to serve the purpose and give me a better lighting for my content, so that for those of you that are watching my content can be enjoying what they are watching and also getting a better audio. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video to your friends who are planning to get a light for themselves anytime soon. Till next time, bye for now.